Hello, welcome to Uptrending Shares. Friends, I am your host Anil Sharma. So friends, today what we do? We have a very special session today, and today we will be discussing the best of best stocks of Q3, that means 23-24 in third quarter, stocks with more than 100%. Just mark this word, these stocks have performed more than 100% net profit. You can use them in intraday and also for the swing trading. The stocks actually are likely to give you lot of money. So let's just check on few stocks, and I must tell you friends, today I have used screener for the first time. Normally I don't use screener, just to make some point clear to you, because everybody thinks if you use screener, things can be the best. So let us check with some stocks. Now friends, here I have taken I have used the screener which is available on YouTube, and you can see the screener has given so many stocks, roughly about 77 stocks, which we'll be discussing shortly. But I want to tell you that screener will give its data even in those stocks which have performed only in this quarter after so many failed quarters. And the best example is IOCL. IOCL 2 years back it was doing very well. It went up to some 700 and 800, and today you see its market price is 182. That time the traders were telling that IOCL will become multibagger. It is no more multibagger. Anyway, let's come back to our topic and try to scrutinize out of this list which stocks can give us the best results. Now friends, as far as Punjab National Bank is concerned, IOCL, Bank of India, they are very, very slow movers. Once you buy these stocks, what can happen is your waiting period actually will be unnecessary very high, because these stocks are not volatile stocks. They are very slow movers. Now Tata Motors has given fantastic responses. JWS Steel has given fantastic responses. For that matter, friends, even BPCL also has given excellent responses. Interglobe Aviation. Now, if you really see, friends, what has happened here is that, particularly for Tata Motors, because it will be a debt-free company by 1st of April 2024. That means this year. So the stock, which is currently at 915, as earlier I had said, it will cross 1000 rupees in 2-3 months time, and it is 100% going to cross that, number one. BPCL, or for that matter, even if it is ONGC or IOC, friends, what is happening is that India has taken a venture for oil exploration near the Indian Ocean. So far we have done only 1978, ONGC had done only one, but now there will be plenty of oil for use by the Indians. That is why BPCL, IOC and ONGC are going to be going to give you a lot of money. And incidentally, this month they have given the net profit. You can see here is the net profit. Okay, I am just marking it. And net profit, if you see, net profit growth is of those stocks which have given more than 100%. So BPCL actually has given the growth of 7% approximately. You can just see this. Tata Motors also had given 495. So net profit growth in this quarter actually has been fantastic for BPCL and Tata Motors. Similarly, JSW Steel has given 195% growth this quarter. Interglobe Aviation is doing very well consistently for many years. So friends, these are the stocks basically, 4 stocks which I have chosen, that you can keep them in your list. Rest, they are all one-time performers. You see Ashok Leyland, although had given 218 percent increase in the profit growth, but this is a very slow mover now. So in my opinion, Tata Motors in this can be a multi-bagger stock in the future, because as I have said on 1st of April it will be a debt-free company. Now friends, let us check with one more stock, and this I have already marked. HPCL, once again, it has given the profit growth of 297%. This is the profit, you can see the profit growth to 297%. Adani Green is taking shape. It is a futuristic stocks. Nevertheless, it's a highly volatile stock, so you can always keep in your list. And this Lupin, for the last 2 quarters, friends, Lupin is giving fantastic results. The net profit this time is 667 or 68%. You can see MRF is a high ticket stock. Even this ACC also is giving consistently for the last 2 quarters excellent results. Fine, you can keep this for trading, whether you do intraday trading, you do swing trading, or you do even positional trading. Now this Poonawalla, the yellow tick which I have put, this is actually a multi-bagger. You will recall that this Poonawalla, we are tracking this stock since it was 280.85, and in last 6 months time it has already doubled. So this is actually, the yellow tick is a multi-bagger tick, and you see this time also, though it is performing quarter after quarter, it is 106%. Trend is a regular performer, doing very well. Now the broker's view is that it can go up to 4,700, 4,800 in less than a year's time, and so is your JK Tyre. Very well performing. JK Tyre has given the quarterly growth of 225%, and friends, you can see here this is 147.82%. So these are all the stocks which you can keep with you for intraday trading, for swing trading, and even for personal positional trading. And these yellow ones which I have said is for the multi-bagger, can be multi-bagger stocks. Friends, here the stocks, there's JSW Infrastructure is there, Wellspun, Spandana Spurti performs once in 6 months time. Also, although this quarter it has given say 639, 640% growth, but it is meaningless. Same is for the Raymonds. EHI Hotel is regularly giving the performance very well, so you can always keep. C8 Tyre always gives performance quarter after quarter, and Wellspun Living has this time given good performance. So just keep this thing in view. Rest of the stocks, like Swan Energy, your Hindustan Construction, Birla Corporation, Jai Birla, Power Grid, Suzlon, they are just one-time performer. Once in 3, 4, 5 months time it performs, and then you just cannot rely on these stocks that whether they will really give you money in the intraday trade or in swing trading. We are more concerned about swing trading because it is very safe. And if you trade in these kind of stocks, at least you will not make money. Only thing you have to keep in mind is that you are always in the uptrend with the shares. And friends, then we will see this one more slide here. You can see here this I have marked Novoco Vistas, SBFC Finance, ITD Cementation, Chalet Hotel, and Thomas Cook. In this I find only one stock, and that stock actually is Thomas Cook, which is giving a very consistent performance. Other rest of the stocks, like Novoco and SBFC Finance and ITD Cement, they are all playing one-day cricket. Chalet Hotels, you do not know what will happen the next quarter. But yes, Thomas Cook is giving consistent performance, and therefore I'll just make it not once but double thumbs up to this stock. Super duper stock it is. And you can also have your own checks from Google. You can always check the financials of these stocks and analyze for yourself how beautiful these stocks are, how strong these fundamentals of these stocks, and whether they can give you money or not. Friends, the next stock which I have taken, this is say Jupiter Wagon. Jupiter Wagon, why I have kept it as a multi-bagger stock. This is actually for only one reason, is that Jupiter Wagon is designing and manufacturing the train bogies, train compartments, and government is going to, in next 4-5 years, 40,000 new wagons will be added. So role of Jupiter wagon will be 100% there. HBL Power is a super duper stock. Two greens I have put to super duper stock and multi-bagger stock also, because consistently for several quarters it is performing. Now this very renewables, this has performed this time. I do not know whether you should deal it or not, because other stock like Texemo Rails and Kalyani's technologies could be much better. But basically these two stocks, that is Jupiter Wagon and HBL Power, you must really consider for intraday trade or for the multi-bagger stocks. Next in our list, friends, is the last in the list, Zen Technologies. Zen Technologies is in the defense sector. Also, it is in the artificial segment. It can prove to be a multi-bagger stock. And Zen Technology, with exception of the previous quarter, since the time it has launched, it has done very well, and therefore I think the stock can do very well in future also, can be a multi-bagger. And you see this time with one bad performance, after that it has given 450% rise in the net profit year after year. Now friends, all these things, this profit growth, all these which I am showing you, is basically the profit year after year. That is what these TV people actually do. But it will be more relevant if you find out from the financials. If you go to Google of any company, you find out if there is any stock which is giving year to year 100% profit or more, plus also quarter to quarter at least say 15 to 20%, then that will be the best list. IFB is giving, this is IFB. Generally I find IFB actually does very well, and results are also always good. So you can consider this stock also. And here also you see the year to year basis, it has given net profit growth of 933.43. 933 crores approximately it has given. Now all these things, as far as the market cap is concerned, P and all that I have left, because today we are only dealing with those stocks which have given more than 100% net profit year to year. That means in the December quarter of 23 and December quarter of 22, right? Now friends, one thing more I would like to mention here. Say for example, this is Zen Technologies, because it is a multi-bagger stock. Point is the variance, these are coming. What are these variances? Fine. So just let us check, what variance means is, if we consider Zen Technology, fine, Zen can, the net profit variance is, this is net profit in crores, and this is the variance. Variance means company was thinking actually this plus this will be the net profit. Fine. Company was thinking the net profit will be 414.12 plus 31. That means roughly this is 445. Company was thinking that net profit will be somewhere around 445-46, but the net profit has come only this. So the variance, the difference actually is plus. So that means that this plus this is budget, and this is the actual delivery. This is the actual delivery. This plus this is the budget, and finally this has come, and this is plus or could be minus as a variance. So this plus this is the budgeted figure, and this is the actual delivery. So this is true for everything. Now friends, as far as I am concerned, I have told you my story, and I wish that what you do is you further scrutinize according to what you think. But my own submission to you is never go by year to year. You must also consider quarter by quarter what is happening. So I thank you very much. You are with me for some time. Let's scrutinize the stock judiciously. Let us not go by what TV people say. because you must have heard very recently that SEBI has fined 50 crore to 15 marketing experts on Z business. That means roughly about 50-51 lakhs to everybody. These 15 people who gave wrong calls, buying and selling calls. Best is that you depend on your own self. Right? So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be with me. We will earn together in the share market. Thank you very much.